Welcome to a quick feature demo of Joule agents with a focus on the production planning and operations agent. You'll see how the agent executes material availability checks, releases production orders automatically, and replaces shortages either with alternatives or rescheduling options, so only releasable orders move to production. What if supervisors could release all their upcoming orders without switching between apps to verify components and schedules? The production planning and operations agent eliminates manual effort by reasoning and acting to validate component availability, propose alternative components, and recommend reschedules when required. The supervisor asks the agent to release all the planned production orders, specifying the start date and plant. The agent reasons over the order details and prerequisites to validate before releasing the order. In this case, required components must be available to move forward. Orders that meet the conditions are released automatically and marked ready for execution. When the primary components are not in stock, the agent takes action to flag the issue and recommend approved alternative components that meet production requirements. Supervisors can review and decide whether to accept the suggested alternative or keep the original, maintaining full control over every change. If no suitable replacement exists, the agent takes action by recommending the rescheduling of those orders to the next feasible window based on component availability. That prevents unproductive downtime and keeps production flowing smoothly. The production planning and operations agent streamlines order release through automatic checks, guided alternatives, and smart rescheduling, keeping production running smoothly. It helps cut time spent on releasing production orders, achieving up to 50% higher productivity, daily time savings of up to 18 minutes, and up to 2% reduction in downtime. With the production planning and operations agent, supervisors can stay focused on keeping operations moving forward. To learn more, please contact us today.